You young people whine about heartbreak like it's some mystery when you're the ones keeping hollow hookup culture alive. You cry about trust issues while jumping from body to body like loyalty is a game. You post about being real while ghosting someone who actually cared. You act like it's normal, like it's healthy to treat love like a vending machine. Swipe left, swipe right, hit, quit, repeat. Let's be real. This generation doesn't crave connection. It craves convenience. It's addicted to instant gratification and allergic to depth. You'd rather chase shallow pleasure than build something that actually lasts. And then when it all comes crashing down, when your soul feels numb, you point fingers anywhere but the mirror. Drascaidianism calls bullshit on all of it. This movement doesn't glamorize fake bonds. It resurrects something real: brotherhood, loyalty, and legacy. In a time where people barely look each other in the eyes, we shake hands like men. We look out for each other. We build something deeper than "you up," texts, and short-term highs. This isn't just about dating, it's about the death of human connection. And if you're still playing games, still living for validation and hollow moments, don't act surprised when your life feels empty. You helped dig the grave. Gen Z is the most depressed generation, not just because of the world around them, but because of the world they've willingly created and reinforced. They cry about being anxious and lonely, but then spend 12 hours a day doom scrolling, watching fake highlight reels on Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat, comparing themselves to people who don't even look like that in real life. They talk about wanting peace, but feed on chaos, engaging in cancel culture, drama cycles, and petty online beefs just to feel something. They scream about body positivity, yet filter and facetune every photo until they don't even recognize themselves. They post about mental health awareness, yet meme about suicide and overdose like it's just dark humor. They beg for real love but worship hookup culture, thinking that a few swipes on Tinder will heal the ache of abandonment. They say they want honesty, but attack anyone who tells them a truth that hurts. They chant about breaking generational curses, yet imitate toxic behavior, glorify trauma, and call it aesthetic. They blame boomers and millennials for the mess of the world, but refuse to pick up a broom, thinking a repost is the same as action. They call themselves victims of capitalism while racking up debt for things they don't need to impress people they don't even like. They crave identity, but reject discipline. They preach freedom while being slaves to dopamine, fake validation, porn, instant gratification, and distraction. Gen Z isn't just hurting. They're fueling the fire with every contradiction they defend as just how things are. If you're tired of pretending this world makes sense, if you feel the collapse creeping in through every screen, every fake smile, every lie dressed as truth, then don't just sit in the ruins. Stand with us. This isn't a trend. This isn't a cult. This is a response to the chaos, the noise, the decay. This is Drascaidianism. And if you feel it in your chest when the world goes quiet, then you were never like them to begin with.